Alright, so I am going to hopefully show you how to create an advertisement on the digital score table, and all you have to do is open the email that we sent you, and if you don't have this email, contact me. I believe if you don't have an email from us, right here you can see our phone numbers are right here. You can contact us. We can send you this template. It should be the triple view monitor template. What you want to do is double click on that. PowerPoint should open up, and then mine, I have to enable editing. And mine is a read-only. It might be part of my PowerPoint, but it's a read-only. I'm not sure if I will be able to convert it to an MP4 video file when I'm all done, but I think I can make it all the way to that point. But your PowerPoint version should be fine. If not, if it's read-only, then it may not be able to convert it. But anyways, first thing you do is save as. You want to save it to probably a USB flash drive so you can bring it to the high school. Some way to take it with you, save it to your desktop, whatever you need to do, just save it somewhere on your computer. So just name your PowerPoint template your business name, hit save as. That way the original template is left alone, and now you're starting with a template that has your business name on it. So I recommend taking the template slide and duplicating it, and then you right click on it again and you can duplicate the slide. You get a few slides here to work with before you start doing anything on them. First off, I would click on the word monitor, use the arrow key, and then delete the word monitor off. I'm not sure why it's on there, but sometimes it shows up. You can just get rid of the word monitor. All three screens there. Then, when you right click, there's some options. You can fill the background of each one of these screens. Any color you want. Just have the whole, just a huge spectrum of colors you can choose from. So just there's different styles and there's things you can do. Just make it a little variety there. So you can change the background. White is always a good one. Your text will always show up really well, and just be careful, these screens will move. You want to keep them centered, and they can get out of center, so just make sure these three screens are centered. I think on the TV, if this line isn't lined up with the black line on the TV, I think we can shift these over so everything lines up on the screens over the 12-foot span. So we can just start with this bottom one here, and we can go to Insert Picture. You can choose, maybe your pictures are on your USB flash drive. Just wherever you have your pictures, you can go to those places and just find your pictures. Let me just find, I have some strange pictures here. Let me see. I guess any of these are. So we have a house made out of rocks. So in this other screen, you can put another picture. You can drag pictures around. You can see as you move it, it gives you lines on centering, so which is nice. You can also, stretch these to get the picture to fit this screen properly, and it may distort it, so be careful stretching it how you want. They may distort it a little bit. Anyways, you can put a text box in. You can hit insert and then click text box, and then come here. You can make a box. You can change the font. There's some really cool fonts to choose from. What was the one I saw recently? Anyways, there's some really neat fonts. Just got to go through them. So the bigger the better. So if you can fit large font on there, I would do it. Color is a big deal. Make sure you pick colors that stand out. If you can go cap locks, that's even better. So this text box is not fixed. You can drag this over the top of. You got to be able to grab with the. You can drag it over the top of anything you want. It doesn't. It's not fixed to any certain area. Once the box is highlighted, you can go to animations. You can make it. You can make the text do animations. You can click animations and do the pictures can do all kinds of neat stuff. So these are entrance animations. You can go to exit animations. So you can make things fly out, fly in, fly out. All kinds of, and you can click on animation pane, and it actually shows you what animations are set up. It gets a little tricky with the animation pane. Like maybe you want the second animation to occur after the first animation, so you see it jumped over here. So it's going to start as soon as the other animation is done, and maybe this animation you want it to start after the other one, so they're staggered. So you can hit play. I can't remember exactly everything we did, but yeah, see how it just went through the animations. Okay, so you can set up pictures. You can insert. If you have a video, you want to throw a video in. The video is going to jump in right there. I think you right click on the video and you can set start automatically. So as soon as the slide comes up, it'll start the video. If not, the video, I think you can start it with the previous one or on a click, which means you set the time when it starts. So there's all kinds of options. It gets pretty technical as you get going. So over here on the left side, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. Maybe I'll drag this one down. It'll be my second slide. And maybe I just want this to finish maybe I'll make it all white. Go white, white, and then we can do insert. We'll go do a text box, and it could be the whole. Maybe you want your name across the whole thing. So obviously we need to bring the text up to huge. You can even go. You can even type it in. 150. And that'll even make it bigger. And you pick your font color. Yeah, any font you want. So there we go, we got that, and what we'll do, we can drag it across the middle. You could hit enter, and you can have you can have more than, you can just keep hitting enter and keep going down. This will be my second slide, and you may even put there you go, whatever, mayorspec.com or whatever you want to do. We will, oops, gotta make sure you grab the right thing here. So everything kind of moves around. You just got to be careful. If you mess up, go ahead and hit the undo button up on the top and get back to where it's all right. So I think, like I maybe already mentioned, but under here you want to get rid of this text that's under here. They put it on there just to label which monitor it is. But we'll get the word monitor out of there. And then we'll drag this back into place. And what I want to do is go to the first slide, go to transition. So this is the transition from one slide to the next. I'm going to go down and put this at 4 seconds since I have an 8-second clip here. The second transition, the second slide, I want it to transition it for 4 seconds. There we go. I think that's good enough for now. So let me hit slideshow and just see. That's our slideshow there. And like I said, our video was set up to run after one of the other animations was done. And then there's mayorspec.com. That should go for 4 seconds. There you go. Now it loops over again, keeps going. So when you add a video, let me just take that video out of there. When you add a video, it won't transition to the next slide till the video's done. So that's now that I took the video out, let's try it again here. It should be 4 seconds here. There we go. And then the other 4 seconds. And that's it. All done. So that's your ad. So play around with it. Give us a call if you have any questions. I'm going to hit save. You already saved it as your business name. Hit save. Then we will hit File, Export. We want to create a video. And we just hit Create Video. Pick where on your computer do you want to save it to, whether it's your USB flash drive or desktop. I think because I have a read-only version, I don't think it's going to create a video here. Nope. So I'm not going to try again. Other versions of PowerPoint will just go ahead and convert it to an MP4. An MP4 is the file type that we can put into our Game Presenter software and run on the digital score table. And that is something you can bring to us on that flash drive, or if it's not too large, you can email it to us and we can get it put in. So again, look for the email that has the triple view monitor template, and also look for our phone numbers and email address, or just get in contact with us. We'll get it picked up, or you can drop it off and we'll get it put in. All right, thank you.